guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vani Chitkara. So guys, lockdown is going on and lots of the content creators and fashion bloggers are facing problem in creating content and doing the shoots at home. They feel like they cannot go out and they cannot create content for you guys, but this is totally wrong. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you that how to do the shoot when you are at home. So guys, we all must be having a roof at our homes, and roof is the best place to create content and do the shoots. Trust me guys. So you just need to have a phone and a timer in your phone and a few props if you have, and then you are all good to start.
So this is the low angle shoot in which the sky is the only background and these pictures are taken from the low angle. So guys, low angle pictures always turn out to be so good. So next we are gonna use the stairs as the prop. Just try to be creative with your poses as well. Wow, I am just loving the pictures. And this one is my favorite. And these are the few shots which I took early in the morning. So this one will be a portrait shot. We just require a chart paper for this. Now I will tear the chart paper and see what will happen. So you just have to take out your head from that space and just start posing. Guys, I am in love with these pictures. So next we are going to do the back pose. You can do this shot anywhere, either in your balcony or at the roof. So here are the pictures. So next is a portrait shot and we need a hat for this one. So we will take this one as well from the low angle. Such lovely pictures guys. So for the next shot we need the sun and we'll do the shoot under the sunlight. To create a shadow you can use any object or you can simply use your hands as well. And these are the pictures.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked all the shoots that I did. If you have more ideas, do comment in the comment section, and which idea you would like to try, let me know. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. See you.